Why is honey so good for your skin? Let's start with the basics. Honey is naturally made by bees collecting flower nectar and storing it in honeycombs to create the sweet, thick liquid we know and love. That liquid is full of about 300 ingredients that help both oily and dry skin, some of the well-known ones being vitamin B, calcium, zinc, potassium and iron. Honey is rich in antioxidants, it's antibacterial and has enzyme activity that helps make your skin glow. Here are 5 benefits of using honey on your face. 5. It's great for anti-aging. The probiotics, antioxidants, nutrients, and enzymes in honey work together to nourish and plump the skin. It retains and rebuilds moisture without making it oily or creating any irritation. While it doesn't completely eliminate wrinkles, it does reduce their appearance. And the antioxidants help reverse any damage, which is what can lead to visible signs of aging. 4. It's a hydrating moisturizer. If you're prone to dry or itchy skin, applying honey can have soothing effects. Honey fights free radical damage and pollution with its antioxidant properties, and it is really great for giving hydration to the skin, which will smooth and soften your complexion. 3. It's great for treating acne. If the cleanser and exfoliator are any indications, honey is all around good for battling acne. Its anti-inflammatory benefits help remove excess oil from the surface, and if applied every day, it'll balance the bacteria on your skin. Use it as a spot treatment to calm stubborn breakouts, and even to provide relief from autoimmune skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. The healing properties in honey help skin repair damage faster. 2. It's a natural exfoliator. Say goodbye to irritated and itchy skin by using a honey face mask to gently exfoliate. You can also combine other remedies, avocado, lemon or apple cider vinegar, to upgrade the routine. To try it yourself, start by cleaning your face before applying whatever you choose to do, combo or not. Spread a thin layer of honey over your skin and leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water and patting your face dry. Use once or twice a week for results. 1. It's the perfect daily cleanser. It might be time to ditch your daily face wash. Honey's antioxidants, antiseptic and antibacterial properties make this ingredient a go-to for fighting acne. It'll open your pores and get rid of those pesky blackheads while keeping your skin hydrated all day long. Just wet your face with warm water, use about a 1/2 teaspoon of honey and massage it onto your face in a circular motion. Work in your DIY cleanser for 30 seconds before rinsing it off and continuing your skincare routine. A few things to keep in mind. The more often you incorporate honey into your beauty routine, the greater the chances you'll see results. The biggest thing you need always think about when using honey is its consistency. And here are 5 benefits of using honey on your face. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.